pay attention. If it's not possible for you to do this in some spaces, I suggest that you use round duct. For example, round shape is 20, so it has problem too. So we can use the converter or adapter. So we have to use the adapter connection. It's good now. So I go to section 5. This section must change the direction, and like this I go to the section. We have the duct here, and I select this duct. It's better to see from top view. Let me see, so I can see it here. Right click, ducts. It's from top of the stairs, so it doesn't make any problem. And we have the section plane here. So I move the duct upward. We have to check it with the architect to make a space for this. They are not aligned. I will move it later. I align these two with each other. I go to 3D view. Now I connect these two, and I do this for return, and I change the route of the supplier, and its reason was our return is coming down from exactly from here, and I don't want to make a conflict between them, so I change the route of the supply. Now I go to level 1. It comes downward because we have drop ceiling, so there's no problem. For return I do it, and I use the space to change the size. Now I have to find its route, how we can move it downward, and then I go to the right like this inside the drop ceiling of the first level, and you can see we have no conflicts between the return and supply ducts. I move it a little upward. We have to ask for a space. I remove these two. I rotate it. Right click, draw ducts, and move and extend it downward. With the arrow keys I move it to the right. I go upward. Now its shape is much better, and I go to the drop ceiling we have to fix this space, or we have to ask it from architect. And I use draw ducts. And I now to the right, let me check the 3D view. You can use tap connection, but I did it with the elbow fitting. I'm in the level 1 and I use return like this. Now for the return, depend on our space, we have to suppose the dimension. We have 6 supplies here. As you remember, it was 180 CFM, so now we have 1080 CFM, estimately between 15 to 20%. It's good, and subtracted by 10%, estimately, or 20%, 860 CFMs. It's necessary for return. Some parameters are essential in the design, but I'm trying to explain it overall for you. It depends on the country and the city which you design. So maybe you have some changes. They are important to mention in your drawing. So I use 860 CFM, and our maximum size is 1 feet. Estimately 10 by 40. I move it downward a little because it's not possible to downward the supply duct. I go to the section line. Now we have this space. Supply is on the top level, so we haven't clashed here, and we have enough space for doing this.